So, gentlemen, night mode is activated. This is the building I was looking for all along. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, I've been able to reach to this place. You know, it looks different in pictures, in videos. It looks totally different. Mostly at night, you know, when it lights up at night, the lights, you know, everything is like, I don't know how I can explain. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are in Marina. So this is Marina, and the buildings next to this other famous Lusail building are these ones that you see right here. Those are the buildings neighboring this place. I don't know where Vendome is, guys. Is Vendome near? Those of you who have been to Vendome, is Vendome very close? Tell me. Let me know. Is Vendome quite near to this area, or? So, guys, this is Marina. We are in Marina South. This is the Thousand side. The northern side, I guess, is that side where we are from. Because this side is the side of the water. The side of I think the water area down there. Marina Street. Even here they show you Marina Street. So I'll wait and I see when it gets dark how this place will light up, because my major emphasis is to see this place lighting up. It looks like a feature of a magnet, you know, those horseshoe magnets. Yeah. And a feature of these shoes for the horses. You know those shoes for the horses? You know, the horse has its own shoe underneath its feet. So it kinds of looks, you know, almost similar. What? Gentlemen, this is the architecture of the building. You see? That is how the building looks like. Wow. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, have made it to this area. Who can tell me anything? Nothing. Nobody can tell me anything. No one can tell me anything. Right now, I am Mudir. Let us go down there and see what is down there. I see some people are there down. I believe they let people visit. So, what can you tell me, guys? Well, this place looks so calm. There are no vehicles like moving from end to end, like place to place. Maybe because it's not a weekend, I don't know, but it is so quiet and calm, you know. Yes, this is Marina side. Let me see this. Let me see the flows. 1, 2. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on. I'm counting the flows. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 times 2. I think those are 30 floors. Just from around this area up to here in the top. I've not counted the rooftop, and I've not counted, I think, the medium floors. And the medium floors looks like to be like 3 or 4 from the ground, you know. And then those ones that look like shelves, they are around, these ones, they look like shelves. They are around 30. That is 15 times 2. Oh my word. And its neighbors are here. These are the neighbors to the area, you know, to the building. These are the neighbors. So guys, what do you think about this place? Excuse me. What do you have to say about this area? In a few minutes to come, it will be lighting up, you know, and then you have very nice cozy area here. Those of you who have bicycles, you can park here. These are for you. And of course, the lights, guys, the lights, they bring these places alive, you know. When you go into a place with trees, some flowers, and the lights, these lights have a way of bringing out, you know, the best look of the area. Yes, this is Marina for you guys. Here we come. I see we have some cafeterias around. This is some cafeterias. Take some tea, to grab some coffee. And it has maybe speakers. You know, in the evening, you know, as you chill, you listen to music. We have some speakers here. You listen to music as it plays. Man, this is awesome. Yo, this is freaking awesome, man. Hey. Wow. The place looks good, guys. The place looks nice, yeah? Actually, if you're recording, you know, creating videos, and you don't feel like you want to record people, this place is nice when you come during the days or the times when there are no people, you know? Now, like the time I came here today, people are less. Actually, they have just started to come in the evening hours, like right now. That's when I've just started to come outside. Maybe by around 8, 7 there, 8, that's when you'll be able to see, you know, quite a lot of people in the area, you know. And then there are some things, of course, that are hard to miss. things that are very hard to miss. Some little I think they sense your motion as you move besides them, and then the water starts to pop out. Yeah, they sense your motion, you know. I don't know, maybe they are fountains also. Tell me, guys, these are fountains, huh? These are fountains or what, guys? Tell me. Maybe mini fountains, you know, small fountains. The other ones are like sensors. As you walk by, the water starts to come out, splashing out. So, you know. So, tell me, guys, what do you think about the area? It looks good. To be honest, it looks good. And these are the surroundings. You know, it's next to the sea, so of course the sea is very hard to miss. Oh man, the lights have started to pop out slowly. Sooner or later it will be lighting up. Yes. Yeah, man. This is Marina, yo. This is Marina. This is Marina. Yeah, man. Hello, sister. How are you? So this, guys, the place looks so nice. Looks so good. Finally. I've always wanted to come and pass beneath this water. Always asked myself, where will I find this water, you know? So finally, you know, the water that is pouring from one end to another as you pass underneath. Yes, it is in this place, so I will finally be able to capture it. Very nice looking place. Hello, bro. How is you? All is well? That's great. So yeah, I would like to pass underneath that water. And of course, other signs, you know, other signs. You know, other signs, guys. I love Lusail. You can pronounce the last one, of course, it's L. This is Lusail, guys. I love Lusail. Yep. I love Lusail. So this is Marina, ladies and gentlemen, and these are the neighbors. See what I told you, man. When the night comes, the city is alive, huh? The city is alive, yo. So let me go and check out that the water that is crossing over from the head, over the head, actually, over the head. Yes.